As we all know, the used car market prices have substantially risen so much within the past year due to the COVID pandemic. And in this video, I thought it'd be kind of interesting to put something together and discuss what I paid for my 2007 Ford Ranger that has 140,000 miles on it at the time in which I bought it. And we'll talk about the specs and where I got it from and all that, because I think it'd be kind of cool to look back at this video in a few years and just kind of say, hey, that's incredible that you got it for that price, you know? I don't know. I think it'd just be kind of a cool idea to share what I paid for it during these crazy COVID prices in the used car market. But before I hop into what I paid, if you're new to the channel, my name's Garrett. Hope you subscribe after watching this video. I have a 2007 Ranger with a lot of content on the channel. We also have a Genesis Coupe, a really cool Hyundai. Walker's doing a full build on that. And then we also have a 300 SRT8, a Mustang, a 5.0, and an FRS. All those cars on the channel. So check us out. We're new to YouTube still, and trying to grow, trying to get some new subscribers in here. So I hope you like the video, and let's hop right into it. For my 2007 Ford Ranger that I bought with 140,000 miles on it, I got it back in October of 2021, so it's been about 4 months since I've had the truck, and it's been a pretty good ride so far. It has the 4-liter V6 single overhead cam engine. It's got 4-wheel drive. It's a cab and a half, 5-speed manual. Gotta have the manual, only way to go. And what else can I talk about? The interior is extremely bare bones. There's no bells and whistles. We got crank windows, you know, the standard transmission. The sound system is pretty lame. It does have AC. It does have heat. Both of them work very, very well. The seats are cloth, and then in the back, it also has the fold down seats that fold down from the back, and then both people, you can fit 2 people back there, and both of the people that are sitting back there will face each other. It's a really crazy thing to see if you haven't seen it before. You can seat 5 in the truck. You can seat 3 up front. The center console folds up, turns into a seat, and then you can fit 2 in the back. And then you have the 6-foot bed, which is just, this is just the perfect truck to have if you ever need to use a truck for truck things. It's just such an awesome truck, and I love it. But what I paid for it was $5,000 was the asking price, and I paid about $4,500 for the truck, and I got it from a private seller here in the Metro Detroit area in Ypsilanti, which is by Eastern Michigan University, if you're familiar with the Metro Detroit area. The gentleman I bought it from was in his late 20s working at Ford, and he upgraded to a new Ranger and was also moving out of state, and he was just ready to get rid of this one. So I found it on Marketplace after my FRS died. If you don't know about that, you're new to the channel, check that video out. Pretty interesting video. But my FRS died. I was looking for something different, manual, and I had a old 2000 F-150 in the past, and I was thinking, hey, why don't I get another F-150? But you know what? The gas was bad. It was really bad. So I ended up looking up Rangers just for the heck of it, and I found this one, contacted the guy, and went and saw it the very next day on my lunch break, put a deposit down, went and picked it up later that evening. You know, as soon as I test drove it, I knew it was the vehicle for me, and I'm so glad I got it. But $5,000 with 140,000 miles for a 2007 Ford Ranger with 4-wheel drive, I think that is a heck of a price to seal, and I still can't believe it, you know. The other day, I was selling something on Facebook Marketplace, and the older lady who came to my house and picked up the item was driving one of those Mazda Ford Ranger trucks, and it was a 96, I believe she said, and it had 260,000 miles, and it was her winter beater. And I was telling her about my Ranger. She just could not believe that I got mine for the price I paid, because you know these COVID pandemic used car market prices are just insane. They're insane right now. But that's about it. That's about all I have to say. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're watching this in a few years from now and you're looking back, I don't know, I just hope that you enjoyed it. Give the video a like if you liked it, and check us out. Walker and I, the other co-founder of the channel, we're both still fairly new to the YouTube game. We got 1,500 subscribers right now. We're still trying to grow, so if you could check us out, see what we're all about, we'd greatly appreciate it. Hope you come back for another video just like this, and until next time, take care.